Indigo Direct presents BMW Extended Service Plans. Continue the peace of mind that comes with your BMW factory warranty with BMW Extended Service Plans. There are 3 coverage options that extend your warranty for up to 7 years or 100,000 miles. Powertrain Plus, Gold, or Platinum. All options include nationwide service by trained BMW technicians using genuine BMW parts and 24-hour emergency roadside assistance. Here's a list of covered components for the Powertrain Plus, Gold, and Platinum plans. Powertrain Plus and Gold plans are available for new and used BMWs, while our highest level of protection, Platinum, is available for new, used, or certified pre-owned BMWs. With a BMW Extended Service Plan, you can extend your 4-year BMW factory warranty up to 7 years and choose the mileage limit that best fits your driving style. Whichever plan you choose, BMW Extended Service Plans provide the peace of mind you deserve with benefits you won't find anywhere else.